Gorillas have a unique way of expressing their happiness through burping. Yes, you heard that right. When these magnificent creatures feel content, they let out a hearty belch. This behavior is not just amusing. It's a form of communication among them. In the wild, a burp can signal to other gorillas that they're relaxed and enjoying their surroundings. It's a sign of social bonding, much like how we laugh or smile. So next time you hear a gorilla burp, remember, it's not just a funny sound. It's a joyful expression of their well-being.